Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maura and I'm a physical therapist, yoga teacher, and mat Pilates teacher. Today I'll be sharing a quick full body mat Pilates practice. It's important to remember that in Pilates we're looking to move slowly and with control and integrate breathing with our movements. As always, please make sure that it is safe for you to be practicing and that you're utilizing variations and possibly props to help exercises feel better in your body. Make sure you check the description box down below for some more helpful injury prevention resources and links. So let's get started in a standing position today. And we'll start at the back of our mat. And we're gonna do a nice full body warm-up movement, some walkout planks. You can always modify these by coming down to your knees. You don't have to do a full plank. So let's start by inhaling both arms up, and then with control, swan dive down. You're gonna walk your hands out until you reach a plank position. And take a deep breath here, pull the navel in, and then walk back, bend the knees, and roll up. We'll do that 4 more times. Inhaling up, swan dive forward, walk out, inhale here, walk back, bend the knees, slowly roll up. 3 more, inhaling up, swan dive, exhale down, walk out, deep breath, walk back, slow roll up. 2 more of these. Inhaling up. And exhale, swan dive down. Walk the hands out. Pause here, pull the navel in. Walk the hands back, bend the knees, and roll up. This last one, we'll take it into a downward facing dog. Inhaling up, swan dive down, walk it out, pause in your plank, and then press it back, downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths here. And exhale, come down to your knees into a tabletop position. And we'll take some strengthening. We'll do a bird dog here. So pulling the navel in, but not really rounding the spine, still keeping a neutral spine where your natural curves are present. You're going to send the left leg back, reaching through the toes, and match it with the right arm, trying to make one long line between the hand and the foot. Exhale, try and touch the knee to the elbow. They don't actually have to touch. And inhale, release. Let's do 5 of these. Exhale, touch, pull the belly in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, touch. Inhale, lengthen. Keep breathing. 2 more. Last one, reach as far as you can go, and then release the hand, maybe shaking out from side to side. And we'll repeat that on the opposite side, planting firmly into the hands and the knees, sending the right leg back, reaching through the toes. Look down at your mat to protect your neck and reach with your left hand. And we'll touch elbow to knee. And inhale, lengthen. 4 more. Two more. And reach, reach, reach. And release. And coming over, shifting the weight onto the left hand and the left knee, coming into a modified side plank, and we're going to take some hip pulses here. Just a little bit of range of motion. Keep pulsing. Ten more. Reach through the hand and the heel. Look down, replace your hand, replace your knee, and sit back, child's pose. Coming back up into tabletop, opposite side, shifting the weight into the right hand and the right knee. Coming up, modified side plank, start to pulse that hip. Little pulses, keeping everything nice and strong, pulling the belly in, engaging your posture muscles. Almost there, 10 more. Release, look down, come back into child's pose. And shifting forward onto your stomach, strengthening the back. I'm just going to move my blocks out of the way here. I'm doing some breaststroke motion, swimming, but we're on land. So reach your hands out. They can touch the floor, and you can just slide them on the floor if that feels good for you. Or you can take the option to lift them off the floor, pulling the elbows down, and then reaching forward. Try and look down to keep your neck in line. Always take the option of the support from the floor. 2 more. Last one. And release. Doesn't seem like a lot, but that exercise, you really start to feel it after a couple of repetitions. Bring your hands under your shoulders, press yourself up and back, and we'll come into a seated position. And we're going to do some roll-ups. So sit with your feet out in front of you, knees as straight as you would like. There can be a little bit of bend. And we're gonna sit up nice and tall, lifting through the crown. And then we're gonna tuck. Pull the navel in as you start to roll down toward the floor with control. Your feet will slide. Slowly control one vertebrae at a time. And then when you get down, reach overhead. Coming back up, bringing the arms up, tucking the chin, curling in, reaching all the way up, and then exhale, release, forward fold. We'll do that 4 more times. The slower you can go with these, the better. Tuck under, pull the navel in, control your motion. Reach and lengthen. Inhale, tuck the chin, reach up, and release. Three more. Two more. That forward fold feels good. Maybe. And this last one, we're going to stay down on our backs. rolling down one at a time. I've slid quite a bit on my mat. I'm gonna have to reposition myself. And we're gonna come into some single leg stretch. So just bring both knees in toward the chest. You can always keep your head down on the mat or on a small towel roll. And if you'd like to take the option, you can tuck the chin and bring the head off the mat, but only if that feels good for your neck. You're gonna hold the right knee in as you bring the left leg out, and then switch, grabbing the knee and the shin. Exhale, switch. Switch. And bring both knees in. Plant the heels. Squeeze the glutes, press into the heels. Take a bridge if you'd like. And we'll do one more round. Slowly roll down. We'll start on the left side this time. Left knee in, right leg out. Exhale, switch. The lower you bring the leg, the harder it is. You can always stay upright and progress as you feel able. Knees into the chest. One more bridge. Squeezing the glutes, lifting the hips. And roll down one vertebrae at a time. And slowly make your way up to a seated position, or if you'd like to rock and roll to get there, it's up to you. We'll take an easy seat. We'll close our practice with just a little spinal twist, inhaling the arms up and exhaling, twist to the right. Just noticing how your body feels now. If there's any heat in your muscles. Inhale through center, opposite side. Exhale, unwind. One last deep breath in. And exhale, palms to the mat. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick full body Pilates practice. Leave a comment below and let me know how this practice went for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel a lot, and it also helps to promote accessible yoga on the internet. See you next time.